Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to design a player. So if your first time, please subscribe and turn on the notification to get another tutorial from me designer. So let's get started to the video. For design, the first step, we create a new document. I go to File, choose New or Ctrl N. The top one is the title of document. You can put the name what you want, and for this one is the size. I choose centimeters or cm, width 21, height 21, resolution 300 pixel per inch. Color mode I choose RGB, 8-bit, background content white. Event option we don't change and create. And we have a document size 21 cm by 21 cm. I need to import the background. I go to File, choose Place Embedded, this one, and I select the background. For the background, you can download on link in description. I want to make it blur. I stand on it and I go to Filter, this one, stand on blur and go to Gaussian blur, this one. I put 20 pixels and click OK. I add color balance to the background. I click here and choose color balance. Click here. For cyan, I put -69, and magenta I put 20. Yellow I put -79, and I choose this one. I go to View, choose Guide and Nougat Layout. And for if you don't tick on margin, please tick it, and after tick, put 50 pixels, all of them, and click OK. Now we can see this is the ruler. And next step, I need to add main subject. I go to File, Place Embedded, and select main subject. I need to clean it a little bit. I stand on it and use polygon tool. This one, cursive. And I mask subject. After that, we Ctrl I to inverse. OK. I need to save this document. I go File, click Save or Save As, and choose the place you want to save and click Save. I need to add some effect to the main subject. Stand on it and go to F8, blending option. I tick on Add to Glue. blend mode I change to lighten. Opacity I put 100 and I change color. Size I put 25 and I tick on shadow. I change color as well. Opacity I put 50, distance 3, spread 0 and size I put 6 pixels and click OK. I add light reflection from background to the main subject one more. I add new layer and I use brush tool. I choose soft round. Opacity 100 and I change color to green and click. I drag to below main subject and I change blend option to screen. I add new layer one more. Choose brush tool again. Opacity I put 50 and change color. And next up I need to add logo. I go File, Place Embedded and select. And next up I need to add text. I use text tool. You can type or control V to paste. I need to add some effect to DJ name. I stand on it and I go F8. I choose blending option. Take on add to glow and I change color. I use it. You can follow my instruction and click OK. I need to add more text. I use the tool again. You can control it to paste or you can tap. I need effect the same this one. I just stand on it and right click, copy layer style. Yes, this one, copy layer style and stand on Saturday, right click and paste layer style. If you want to change, you just stand on it and double click on effect. You can add what you want. Okay. I add one more text. I use text tool again. Okay, for the party text, I just add a shadow little bit, and you can see instruction and okay. And for next step, I add contact, social media icon, website, and location. And now our flyer is finished. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And see you next video.